Canada. This is Ryan, and today we're buying toys. And at Kmart, they got Legos, bubbles, any toys like Lego or bubbles or Beyblades or Teddy. Okay, let's go. Come, Daddy. So we have to buckle up. It's important because we don't buckle up, then we will hurt ourselves, like in the brain or our head or our eyes or our bodies. Yes.
Hey, 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 every day we learn and play, growing smarter every way. Letters, numbers, stories too. So many things we love to do. Every day we learn and play, getting brighter every day. Counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maths can make our brains come alive. Reading books from A to Z. Learning helps us be the best we can be. Every day we learn and play, getting brighter every day. Sing it loud, sing it proud. Learning's fun, let's say it now. Hands up high, touch the sky. We can do it if we try. Every day we learn and play, sharing kindness on the way. Oh, friends and teachers help us grow. There is so much we can know. Oh, every day we learn and play, getting brighter every day. Hey, 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 hey.
Now you got bubble, but we're not playing them yet. But first we have to build mine. Now we can open it. Yeah, and my one is already started, so I have to start it now. And it's 5:45. It's 5:45. So we much time to do. We got 2. Yo, bro, you got what the fun? Okay. That's interesting. Open everything. And yeah. I can open it. Let's try your best. I got that the only story, but it's not one.
Rhythm and Ryan on the floor today. Tiny hands building in their playful way. From a single block their ideas grow. Little worlds forming soft and slow. Little blocks, big dreams. Learning what imagination means. From small things, great things rise. Shining futures in their bright young eyes. A spaceship here, a castle on the side. Here, a castle on the side. Creativity they just can't hide. What begins as play will someday transform into dreams that shift the norm. Little blocks, big dreams, they'll build the world with bright young cleans. Rhythm and Ryan, just wait and see. Builders of tomorrow, they're meant to be.
Now I fix this all by myself and see this, and there's stuff in the two of them, and this is how we make a mountain drum. And look what happened. Great. Fail the button. Yeah. And huh? Let's try it. Also subscribe our channel. Yeah, also subscribe our channel.
Hey, 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 hey. Every day we learn and play, growing smarter every way. Letters, numbers, stories too, so many things we love to